Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Makeup Forever. Artist To Go Eyeshadow Palette, Mini Eyeshadow Palette. 600, Anywhere Caffeine, Warm Nude Shades inspired by Artist Color Pencil in matching shade. 100, Whatever Black, Smoky Shades inspired by Artist Color. Artist To Go Eyeshadow Palettes feature a combination of creamy mattes and luminous shimmers, offering 6 versatile shades for casual and full glam looks. 100, Whatever Black, Smoky Shades inspired by Artist Color Pencil in matching shade. Inspired by our best-selling Artist Color Pencil lip liners, these palettes allow you to effortlessly complete your look with either cool or warm tones. 606, Wherever Walnut, Cool Nude Shades inspired by Artist Color Pencil in matching shade. Our highly pigmented eyeshadows offer superior blendability, making it easy to achieve your desired look with minimal effort. Enjoy intense color payoff and smooth application from the first brush stroke with no fallout. 808, Boundless Berry, Rosy and Peachy toned shades inspired by Artist Color Pencil in matching shade. Discover 4 eyeshadow palettes to pair with our iconic Artist Color Pencil lip liners. Available in 2 shade families cool and warm tones, these palettes harmonize with your favorite lip liners for a cohesive and polished appearance. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.